That's us actually.
And you've been an entrepreneur now for
This is my sixth year as an entrepreneur.
year.
I never thought I could be one actually.
then
I was
how did that happen?
I have a partner who's I think who's a little wiser than me there. He was behind me for a long time. You know what? It was me who was unsure. I was like a very conservative.
What is your educational background?
My bachelor's is in microbiology.
Wow.
You know
Okay.
now where that knowledge of virus came from. And later on, I went on to do my management program with IIM Bangalore.
Okay.
That perhaps gives me a good start to conversations. They suddenly think, oh wow, this guy will definitely make sense because he's from there. While that's not entirely true. There are backbenchers even at IIM Bangalore. True backbenchers. So anyway, so that's that. And I've learned everything else by observation. That's
Right.
been the best teacher though.
So you did microbiology. So your partner, going back to your partner chasing you, why was he chasing you?
Because he worked with me. I mean, we worked together
At
at iGate
Okay.
when I was there, and he was already an entrepreneur, and then he had left his whatever and he'd come to work for a salary. He always wanted to get back to that, but he was behind me, and we were talking till one fine day that I said, okay, let's do it. Let's see where it takes us. But the good thing, what I'm happy about, is that I didn't quit my salaried job out of pressure, like a lot of them have. And because 2016 was an entrepreneurial wave in the country. You've seen that. You had Make in India, Rise India, Shine India, whatever. A lot of companies were started. A lot of companies even shut down after they started. And I have seen people who got into being an entrepreneur because they couldn't do well. They were under tremendous pressure they would have been sacked.
You mean they got into entrepreneurship because they did not do well.
Yeah, it's like I tried and tried, I couldn't succeed.
But isn't it usually the other way around? You try being an entrepreneur and you fail and you go to a job.
Even that happens. But here, I personally know a lot of people who actually quit their jobs or were sacked. To upkeep their dignity, they said, you know what, I'm an entrepreneur now. I have an idea and I'm starting something, whatever it is. It could even be delivering frozen chicken. But then I'm glad I didn't do that, as in not frozen chicken, but I didn't quit my job because of pressure. I will always be happy that I wrote my mail.
As in, I'm sure, because I know that you were doing pretty well at iGate.
I was with iGate.
Yeah.
I was arguably, I'm told that I was the youngest head of PR in the
Wow.
country, in the IT
Okay.
industry back then, when I
Right.
was heading PR for them globally. Then I was the head of marketing for 2 other technology companies after iGate.
So you did not quit iGate to start your business.
No.
It was much later. Okay.
I quit iGate, I joined another company.
So I'm sure you had a fair idea of...
I worked for a salary for almost 15 years actually.
Right.
Sorry. And then this happened, and Nishant and I one night we sat down, generally chatting. He told me something that he was thinking of, and I added some spice and all of that. And I said, you know what, it wouldn't work that way. I won't go into details. It gets too boring. And I gave it a little bit of.
So he had an idea. You gave a better spin on the idea. In your opinion.
Yeah, and I said, you know what, let's try and talk about this to a few people and see how this goes. And next morning we were at an event in Delhi and we socialized the idea and we got a thumbs up. So people started asking for our business cards, which were non-existent because we were still in our minds.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು